Started in 1960 as a pattern shop in the metal casting industry, and then I entered in 1977. It was a family-owned business that was in pattern making, conventional, and then we started making sand cores for the metal casting industry, moving from jobbing to medium to ultra high production, into the area of about 2010. We started doing a lot of work for railroad all across the country, and then basically when the kind of the coal diminished in 2014, kind of had to reinvent ourselves, realizing that it's not just technology, you have to really work with reinventing the workforce behind it. And that's when we moved more to the version of the industrial athlete, realizing that there's a lot of people that don't go through the 4 years of higher education, that they have a good fit in the good manufacturing area. And we really believe in manufacturing and wanted to reinvent it. At the same time, the market in the traditional tooling space we could see was going to diminish because of the additive manufacturing, which moves you from tooling to toolingless. So when you have the opportunity to have an ecosystem like we have here, where you can plug in and basically move into next-based technology with the amazing ecosystem that's here in Youngstown, with American Makes, YBI, YSU, and the opportunities that existed, it allows companies to move into the next base. I've had the opportunity to lean into the 3D additive sand manufacturing, and it's just moved from prototyping, into high production, to where we're printing, with over 500,000 pounds, sand a month. And we're still doing conventional. Conventional have a place, but as we move from tooling to toolingless, and eventually into the metal space with 3D, that's going to be the continued future. We're serving beyond the borders of the United States. We're air freighting and shipping parts into Mexico and South America. The additives given us the opportunity now not just to work with tier 2 or tier 3. We're actually, because a lot of times your industry is not early adopters, we're also having the opportunity to sign well over 100 NDAs with world-leading and global OEMs that basically they're always doing research and development, and sometimes we have to actually push our industry by being able to be in that next space early. Biggest lesson that we've learned from several opportunities I've had is to realize that it's not the building, it's the people inside of the company. Like I alluded to earlier, the industrial athlete isn't just a theme, it's the opportunity for the team that I serve to realize that we do function as a team and that each person has a very important role there. So whether it's in in your personal life, whether it's in relationships or in your family or at work, is to be more like a work family and realize that you really lead by serving and just providing them with the best opportunities when they come into the workplace that can help them grow.